officially only a week ago.
Yes, I was told.
They'll come to the town to think it's time to
I
eat.
chose a law not published in any book, but a
Oh,
long-standing
look at
tradition honoured in England for decades. We can do what we like, as long as notice is given.
Give him, Alan.
About being sporting, you just wanted to skirt the law.
Nonsense. I wanted to do well. By filing this action, you have opened your client's
I hit you in the head?
malicious litigation, which is why
Oh,
you
I'm
froze
sorry.
the assets in the first place.
You baited him.
In any case, you seem to be
Can you videotape it?
Yeah.
I'm comfortable there.
I don't have too,
Close.
When I come out,
I don't have too much memory.
You better do something quickly. Your clients don't have the funds to proceed beyond, I'd say, this week's end. Now, if you'll excuse me.
I think they've learned to stay away from her.
Lady Marian.
They know when they see the tail hanging down.
Sorry. Jessica, you want to
Might
see
have to put some food there.
You're supposed to be announced. You summoned me, that's your deceit announcement.